Hi creators! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up auto DMs using our auto DM feature. So first you're going to come over here to the left side menu and you're going to scroll down to auto DMs. Now, unlike myself, if you do not have your Instagram linked yet, you will be taken through a flow where you can link your Instagram account and allow Planoly access to your Instagram messaging. So once that's done, you'll then be taken to the screen where you can begin setting up and creating your auto replies. So once that's done, your linking is finished. You can come up here to the top right corner and you're going to select Create Auto Reply. You have the option to do 3 different flows in order to get your followers to the content that you would like to send out to them automatically. You can start with when they comment, or you can do it for when they DM you, or you can do it for both. For this option, you can enter in exact keywords that when your followers comment or DM this to you on your Instagram account, it will allow you to then set up the second 2 triggers for the auto DM. So in this case, I'm just going to enter happy and fun. And then you can go in and select which post those followers would comment on to then receive the additional information. So you can select to choose just one post, or you can enable it for all of your posts. In this case, I'll just select one of my posts. So when they comment or when they DM you, you can have the option to comment back, or you don't have to comment back. You can just simply go ahead and send them the DM directly. But if you would like to comment back, you would want to fill out this section, and then you can set up 3 different messaging options to be commented back to your follower. These replies we automatically have set up here for you, but you can surely customize these to enter any messaging that you would like that fits more of your personality or your brand for your Instagram page. So you have your comment back replies entered, or if you choose not to comment, either or is fine, you can come down here and then move on to your direct messaging. So this is the auto DM itself. This is the DM that will go to your followers, that will include, a link or the information that will get them to what it is that you would like to provide to them. Again, we already have the template here set up for you, but you can surely update this, customize it, make little tweaks so that it's more for you. You have up to 640 characters to enter in for your comment. You would then go ahead and add your URL. And again, this would be the button at the bottom of your message that will go to those followers so that they can click on that and access whatever it is you'd like to share to them. And then you can go ahead and set a title as well. Now, once you're done, you want to be sure to select publish so that it can be live and your followers can go ahead and start receiving those auto DMs from you. Granted, they enter those keywords. So it's quick, simple, and easy and convenient. So I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions regarding this, or if you're facing any trouble setting up your auto DMs, please feel free to reach out to our support team at support@planoly.com. Thanks for watching.